Hi friends, welcome to Viktors Reality. In today's video, we're going to be cleaning our Aorus RTX 2080 Xtreme. Let's begin. Now here we have the Aorus 2080 RTX. And let me zoom in here so you can see. This is about 4 months of non-clean, and it probably runs about 60 to 100%. So you can see how dusty the fans blades get. And even in the inside looks pretty good. It's just more the fans that are really dusty. What you can easily do is with this vacuum, just give it a clean, all the fans. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the graphics card so you guys can see how it looks like in the inside. Okay, so please pardon the dust. It's dusty in here, so I just wanted to show you guys. This is what the graphics card looks like. You can see here the fans and the grills all have dust. Again, this is 4 months of about, I would say, 60 to 80% at fan speed at all times. I put these little black tapes right here in the middle because I just didn't want the overbearing LEDs to be shining in my face. But this is how it looks. Just wanted to show you guys how it looks. And with that fan, I'm going to be giving it a clean. There you go, so you can see. Look how dirty that is. So this is a before. Now let's look at the after. Okay, as you can see, now this is the after. After I cleaned it with the vacuum, the keyboard vac. Almost as good as new. Now there's some parts where I can't get into. Right here, you can see under that fan. You can clean it with a Q-tip just to get under the fan. I just wanted to show you the grills and what this little keyboard vac can do. It takes away almost 80% of all dust. But you can use a normal vacuum to suck up some more, or if you have like a blow duster that blows air to push all that air out. You can do the same thing with a blow duster. Like one of my videos I have that I clean the computer keyboards, so you could do that with the desktop also. So what I just use a keyboard vac, a Q-tip just to get the hard to reach places, and that dust blower that I have. And I'll put all the links in the description. And this is the best way to clean your GPU. And I just used it on my CPU cooler. You can see the grills and the fan. Same thing, it was all full of dust. Got that taken care of. Almost as good as new. So this was just a video to show you how I clean my GPU and CPU cooler. And if you guys are running into the same problem, you can use these items I have listed below. And it's always good to clean your computer and your GPU or audio products, anything that you have connected to your computer. It's always good to clean it. I would say at least every 3 months, depending on how high you have your fans, so you can always be at optimum power. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please leave a like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.